Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two simple ways on how to delete or empty the recycle bin using command prompt or CMD in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please click on Run as Administrator to continue. Now, you would be able to receive a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you can give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. Now, I'll be including a commands at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it there. And once you have copied it, please paste it here at the command prompt. So Control V to paste. Okay. And you can also change the stray rev letter here. So if you would like to change the recycle bin that is being created or that is from the D drive, then you can change this from C to letter D. Okay? Or if you would like to delete the recycle bin that is from the C drive or local disk, just leave it with letter C. So click on enter, and that way you would be able to empty the recycle bin that is being created or that is from the C drive. Okay? So another step that you can do is at the button search bar, please type for PowerShell. Once you've typed it, a best match would appear, which is a Windows PowerShell system. Please click on Run as Administrator to continue. And if your user account control asks you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can allow on the machine to run this Windows PowerShell as administrator. So from here, please paste this second command, which is Clear-RecycleBin. Okay, so copy and paste, Control V to paste and click the enter key. Okay, so it will ask you to say yes or no to delete the recycle bin. Just type Y to delete it and click the enter key. And in that way, you will be able to empty the recycle bin in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.